Dividend stocks versus growth stocks, two classic investing strategies, one big question, which one really delivers? On the left, dividend stocks, the steady generators of income and stability. On the right, growth stocks aiming for high rewards through rapid appreciation. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real numbers. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Here's how we're gonna roll through this comparison. Think of it like a mind map. First up, we'll talk about income stream, then returns, risk and volatility, long-term growth, and finally, who these stocks are actually best for. Quite a lineup, right? Let's jump in. Okay, first up, income stream. Dividend stocks, oh man, this is their party trick. They send you regular cash dividends, so it's pretty much like a reliable, passive paycheck. Seriously, it's the dream for folks who want predictable income. Plus, those dividends can grow over time and help fight inflation, which is kinda nice, right? Downside. Sometimes the yields aren't super high at the start, but still you know it's coming in. Now, growth stocks on the other hand, well, they're kind of like that cousin who won't call but might send you cool stuff on your birthday. Most of the time, you get minimal or even zero dividends since they're busy reinvesting every penny into growing the business. So no recurring payouts here, and if you want income, you've gotta sell shares. Not ideal for folks wanting regular cash. Honestly, for income stream, dividend stocks totally win this one. Moving on to returns. Dividend stocks get you returns in two ways: the actual cash from dividends and the appreciation of your shares. Over the long haul, especially if those dividends keep growing, your total return can be pretty sweet. But real talk, it's usually slower capital gains compared to some other options. Now, growth stocks, buckle up. These are all about capital appreciation. If you catch them in a bull market, the gains can be like legit impressive. Bigger upside for sure, but if things get rough, there's no income buffer to soften the blow. So when it comes to pure potential for returns, growth stocks take the crown, no question. Alright, let's get a little serious: risk and volatility. If you want the chill vibes, dividend stocks are where it's at. Lower volatility, more defensive, and they tend to hold strong even if the market's throwing a tantrum. Usually these companies are sitting on strong balance sheets, so they're not likely to blow up overnight. Just know if things go south, they might cut those dividends, but it's rare. But now, growth stocks. Oh boy, higher rewards, but the swings can be wild. Sharp declines happen, and volatility is basically part of their DNA. So if roller coasters make you queasy, maybe not your thing. All things considered, dividend stocks are definitely more stable, so they win here. Oh, and here's something cool, did you know? Dividend growth stocks like Visa have grown their dividends over 22% annually for 15 years straight. I mean, talk about compounding, the numbers do get wild after a while. Let's talk long-term growth, which honestly everyone cares about by 2026, right? Dividend stocks. Well, if you're patient, your yield on cost rises over time. Reinvesting those payouts builds a pretty convincing compounding story. On the flip side, growth stocks are expanding, innovating, buying back shares, sometimes at lightning speed. But you do need to hang on through some wild swings before you see those gains pay off. It's kind of a tie here, to be honest. Both work just a bit differently. And finally, who are these actually ideal for? If you're nearing retirement, want steady cash, or can't sleep when the market dips, dividend stocks are your friend. Not the most thrilling ride, but super dependable. Growth stocks. They're perfect for the young guns, folks with high risk tolerance, and anyone chasing that adrenaline rush of big gains over several years. Just gotta be ready for a long journey, no shortcuts. So it's a tie in this category. Depends what you're after. Alright, picture a radar chart here. Dividend stocks are crushing it in income, risk, and stability, while growth stocks absolutely dominate returns. Both stack up decently for long-term growth and appeal to their own crowds. Pretty balanced battle overall. So honestly, here's my take. If you want reliable passive income, chill vibes, and sleep easy nights, dividend stocks are your best bet. If you want to aim high, can stomach the volatility, and have the patience of a monk, growth stocks could be your ticket. Honestly, the real move: diversify. Have a bit of both and you won't feel left out no matter what the market does. If you found this helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you soon.